On number 1, we need to add 23 4/10 plus 19. 19 is a whole number, so we need to remember that it is like 19.0. Add up your two values. Do not leave it like 424. You must remember to bring your decimal straight down. So 42 4/10 is the answer. The next problem. Stuart has $45 and spends $18.33 on snacks. How much does he have now? He has money and then he spent money. To find out what he has now, we need to subtract. $45 as a decimal would be written like that, minus $18.33. This will give us our change. We need to do some borrowing right here. Again, 4 minus 8 gives us a negative number, so borrow. Stuart has $26.67 left. Number 11, dividing fractions. Remember, your rule for dividing fractions is to multiply by the reciprocal. Think about keep, change, flip. Because this is a mixed number, your first step is to convert 3 1/3 to an improper fraction. 3 times 3 plus 1 is 10/3. 4/5, change it to multiplication, flip to the reciprocal, and at this point we can multiply straight across or cross cancel. 4 and 10 are both divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Now multiply straight across. 2 times 3. 5 times 5. 6/25 cannot be reduced or simplified. That is your final answer. Number 12, order of operations. Remember, order of operations, P, E, M, and D, A, S. Multiplication and division from left to right. Addition and subtraction from left to right. First, we do have a set of parentheses, and in the parentheses, I need to do the exponent first. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. I'm going to bring down everything else. Continue the parentheses. 2 plus 16 is 18. And then 63 minus 18, if you work it out, borrow. 45 is your final answer. The bottom row is what we're studying this week. What integer represents depositing? Remember, depositing $10 is putting money into your account. So your bank account balance would increase. Therefore, it would represent as positive 10. Number 14, circle all true statements. On this number line, I notice A is to the left of B. That means A is less than B, which is statement C, and B is greater than A, so B and C. Number 15, the opposite of -3 is 3. The opposite of 0, remember 0 is its opposite. We read these examples like the opposite of -9 is 9. The opposite of 5 is -5. Now let's compare these numbers. 9 compared to 6. 9 is greater than 6. -5 and 3. Negatives are always less than positives. -9, -14. Don't let the negatives confuse you. Remember, when you're looking at negatives, the number closest to 0 is the larger number. -9 is closer to 0 than -14, so -9 is greater than -14. The last one, -6 compared to -3. -6 is not closer to 0 than -3, so that means -6 is less than -3. Have a good night.